Hello everyone, this is Umesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is day 10 of our 21-day English speaking challenge. I hope you are practicing English speaking with me every day. Today's topic, how to improve English speaking. Many people want to improve their English speaking skill, but they don't know where to start. The first and most important thing is daily practice. If you practice speaking every day, your confidence will slowly improve. Second, try to listen to English as much as possible. You can watch English videos, listen to podcasts, and watch English movies, conversational videos. This will help you understand pronunciation and sentence structure. Third, try to learn new words every day. Even if you learn just 5 words daily, it will help you a lot. Another important thing is not being afraid or making mistakes. Mistakes are normal when learning new language. So don't worry about grammar too much. Just try to speak simple sentence slowly. Your English will become better. Now let's your turn. Try to speak for 2 minutes and how you want to improve your English. Write in the comment section day 10 completed. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow in the day of 21-day English speaking challenge. Bye bye.